Look what happened today. Whoa, that's what my forehead looks like. It feels so much better, and I don't have to keep doing this to get the hair out of my eyes and out of my face. And I just feel lighter. It feels a lot cooler. I don't know why I waited so long. I would think I was just scared that my girlfriend was gonna botch my head. But I mean, it looks pretty good. And I basically just saved 20 bucks on a haircut. I do have like a bald spot like right here a little bit, and then the back is like a little bit long, but it's way cooler, and I'm not really trying to impress anybody anyways. Like, hair grows back, and then my plan was, if it ended poorly, which it didn't, because I mean it's still like okay, I was just going to shave my head, like just take a 1 or 2, probably a 2, and then just go over my head. But turned out pretty well. I think when the salons open up, I might go back and just get it touched up so that it can be evened out, because I think it's a little bit long in the back, but looks good to me. Exercise for the day, ended up going on a 4-mile run this morning. Gonna throw the map up here. Splits up here. And actually, yesterday on this channel, we hit 900 subscribers, and that is insane. It was just like yesterday when I was at 10, and then 100, and then next thing you know, a blink of an eye, and then we're at 900. So almost to that 1K mark. So thank you to everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you, especially the ones that are constantly in my comment section, especially the ones that watch my videos, that give me a thumbs up. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. So I was going back and forth of what I should talk about in today's video, and then I thought to myself, just talk about what's on your mind. You should be documenting and not creating, because that's one of the cornerstones of this channel anyways, in my personal style of the vlogs that I do. So I'm just going to talk about what's on my mind. And today, what's on my mind is, today is actually day 73 of running every single day, and day 73 of no alcohol, no beer, no liquor, no wine, no nothing. Originally, I was gonna wait until day 90 to do this video, but I mean, a number is just a number. 73 is as good as 90. And I am actually aiming for 366 days of no alcohol, no beer, no wine, no liquor, no nothing. And 366 days just because this year is a leap year. And it's not that I have a terrible relationship with alcohol. On most weeks, I drink once a week on average. Just depends on what is happening that weekend. Maybe I'll drink twice if I am visiting friends in San Diego, if there's a wedding, if there is a bachelor party, if there's a special occasion, birthday, anything of that sort. Though most weeks, it's just once a week. And for me personally, when all of this like COVID thing happened, and I obviously stopped hanging out with people, because really for me, drinking was more of a social thing, and I like to make memories, and I just like to talk, obviously, if you can't tell already by this channel. So when everything happened with COVID, it was like, oh, well, I mean, I don't really have a like reason to drink. I'm not one to sit at home and drink a beer by myself. That's not really how I do it. More mainly, it was like for social reasons. So I decided to give it up, more mainly because I just get these super bad hangovers, and it's to the point where it's like I'll drink Friday night, and then Saturday is a wash, and then Sunday is I'm still like a little bit foggy. And it's not even that I need to get like super over the top. It can just be like a moderate amount of drinks. Like, you know, for me, a moderate amount of drinks would be like 5 or 6. And if I hit that 5 or 6, it usually takes me 2 full days to recover, to feel back to normal. And that just really impedes like my exercise and my productivity overall. And really right now, at this point in my life, productivity is one of the most important things to me. So 73 days in, so far so good, and these past 73 days I have been hyper productive. Not that I wasn't productive in the past, though right now I just feel that I am on a different level, because now I can be productive 7 out of the 7 days instead of 5 out of the 7 days, because the 2 days after drinking would be a wash. There are definitely days where I kind of want a beer, but then I thank myself the day after when I wake up. I'm like, well, I'm glad that I didn't have 1 beer, because that 1 beer could have led to 2, 3, 4, 5, or whatever it is, because today I feel good, I'm waking up early, and I'm getting after it. And I also have this really bad habit of each time that I drink, no matter if it's 2 beers or 6 or 7, that I need some type of greasy food at the end of the night, preferably Mexican food. If Mexican food's not open down the street, I usually just get Taco Bell. If Taco Bell's not open, I'll usually get Jack in the Box. So I need something greasy in my stomach no matter what. So now that I'm not drinking, I'm not putting all of that into my body. And I brought up this topic in one of my past videos as well, and someone asked me something along the lines of, how do you think alcohol affects your performance as far as running, as far as lifting? And for me personally, I most likely, and when I say most likely, it's actually a very high % chance, closer to 100 than it is to 50, that I will not work out those next 2 days after drinking. It depends on how many drinks that I have, though. If I really go past 5 or 6, there's a 90% chance that I will not do anything those next 2 days. And I don't know what it is. I am just a complete blob, and no matter what I tell myself, I'm like, get up, you gotta go work out, you gotta lift, I just don't. And I know that about myself, and that's why I've decided to kind of stack both of these goals at the same time, of me running for a year straight and me having no alcohol for a year straight, because they definitely overlap, and I want to crush both of these goals. And it's not that I'll never ever drink ever again. For me, I just want to get to that 366 days so that I can prove to myself that I can do it. And really, this is all just a challenge for me. So hope you all enjoyed that video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here, there's a video right here. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. See you all tomorrow.